Okay, so in this setup, we've got 40 total employees. 13 of those employees live in Naperville, and we're selecting 2 people to go on a company trip. Now, unlike, problem that we talked about with independent, with like picking a card, flipping a coin, where one didn't affect the other, here, whoever gets picked first is going to slightly affect the probability that a second person is going to fall into a certain category because, we're working with less people as a group and maybe less people in one of those subgroups. So for letter A here, we want the first person chosen to be a Naperville resident. Well, we're still working with 40 total, so this would be 13 out of 40. And then we want the second person to not be a Naperville resident. Well, if 40 of them are total employees, 13 of them live in Naperville, it means 27 of them do not. We would still have 27 non-residents left, but this would only be out of 39 now. And this would equal 9 over 40, or 22.5%. And then for letter B, so this notation here means finding the probability of choosing a resident given that one resident has already, that was supposed to be an arrow there, already been chosen. So technically, you might look at this and say, why does it matter that it's the second resident rather than the first in terms of how it's written, but it's always given that that second one has already happened. Now, we don't have to find the probability of that one because it's already been chosen, but what that does is it then lowers it to only 12 residents left out of a total of 39, and 12 over 39 would give us 4 over 13, or about 30.8%.